Hey guys, Rookie Lock back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day. And today I'm going to look at this Master 911. Missing the, you might be able to kind of make it out there. 911 kind of wore off. But it's a pretty cool lock for a master lock, let's say. It's laminated steel. One thing I find a bit odd about this lock is it's pretty beefy. It's like almost like a Pro Series, but the shackle isn't quite up to par with the rest of its body. Actually, let's take a look at this. Actually, you guys won't be able to see that. We'll use the caliper. So 310 thousandths or 7.8 millimeters. Pretty small shackle. But anyway, we'll see if we can get into it. I know this thing has spools in it. I just kind of forget. It's been so long since I picked it. Kind of forget exactly where they are and yeah, where the serrated is. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and use bottom of the keyway because there's quite a bit of tension on this core, and I have a hard time keeping my my top of the keyway pry bar in here when I do it that method. Still fighting the light today. Like I said, it's in my last video. It's pretty dark and dreary outside. It's been raining for a little while now. But like I said, at least it's not snow. We've had quite a few early spring storms this year. But anyway, let's quit blabbing and get to picking this master. Right away, number one's binding. I actually have counter rotation on it too. Got that set. Two feels completely bound up. Not quite ready. Three. Oh, sorry guys. Try to give you a better view on this, huh? That'd be nice, huh? Hard to have it where you guys can see and also it be a decent angle to pick at. Let's recock this thing. Try it like that. So right away, one gives us counter rotation. Got it set. Oh, two was loose that time. Counter rotation on three. Got it set. Counter rotation on four. And oddly enough, that opened it up. I didn't pick five. At least I don't think I did. Anyway, let's get into this thing. And I'm missing my Allen keys. Hang on. Alright, sorry about that guys. I should know by now to have stuff ready, huh? What's going on down there? Okay. Wrong size? No. Got it. This light is really bumming me out. Wish I had a better solution to this problem, but all I have is a crappy lamp that has a really poor light quality. Alright, let's take a look at this little core. Seen better days. And it is of a crimped variety. I don't think that's a problem though. I think this is the key for it. No, I take that back. I think it's this one. So, not the best bitting. Not horrible, but not great. So yeah, with these crimped cores, you basically, some of them are crimped on both sides, which makes it kind of complicated, but you turn it to, turn it 90 degrees like that, and you give it a little push till you're past the crimp. Then I turn it back so we got that half moon facing up, and then we grab our screwdriver follower, and we should be able to slide this guy out just like this. Alright. Now I'm really wondering about, I know there's definitely one pin that I didn't pick, and I thought it was 5, but I don't know, maybe it could have been, maybe I skipped right over 2. Let's check that out in a second here. Empty these. Actually, we're going to leave these in, they're all standards. Leave them all in for now. I'll take them out in a second. And upstairs, I think there might not even be a standard in here. Or a serrated. Because it was false set right from the start, or counter rotation right from the start. 1 and 2 spools. 3 as well. 4 as well. Yeah, they were all spools, guys. That's interesting. And this is a stock lock. I haven't done anything to this at all. Now, let's see if we have the problem of drivers being too short. That's definitely probably what happened. Probably definitely what happened. So yeah, you can see that's flush with the shear line, which is why it wasn't budging and didn't need to move. I don't know if there's a point to even empty. We'll do it just for transparency's sake. So that's 2. One, 3, 4, and 5. Get these arranged for close up. And there you have it. All standards on the bottom, and all spools on top. And like I said, this number 2 didn't have to be picked. So they turned a 5-pin lock into a 4, effectively. Alright, that's it on this Master 911 yellow laminated steel padlock. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, don't give lock pickers a bad name. Don't pick locks that you don't own or have permission to pick. Alright guys, have a great day. Thanks again.